Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT convertible, automatic, magnetic selective ride, Z51 with those cross-drilled rotors and slotted brakes. Just a beautiful car. It's got all the options. Beautiful, clean, tidy car, low kilometers. Look in the frames. It's just a thing of beauty. Cargo net is there, little storage compartment in there, and another storage compartment over here. This folds down so that when the top is up, you have that additional trunk space. So that's cool. Close the trunk here, and a nice quattro-port exhaust out the back there. Great looking color, silver with those traditional round taillights. Now on the wheels and tires here, we've got brand new Michelins, brand new rotors, brand new pads. Everything brand new. It just looks absolutely gorgeous. On the inside, you've got perforated seats with the luxury leather trim. You've got power seats with the multi-function adjustment for lumbar and side bolster adjustment. Have a look in the door frame there as I climb in, and I'll just show you that the books are there. The codes are here, so if you know how to read the codes, there you go. So you'll see the 3LT down there to show that as well. It's got the Bose sound system and power convertible top, which I'll show you in a minute. Here's your front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Beautiful 5-spoke aluminum wheels with, again, brand new Michelin tires, brand new rotors, brand new pads, painted calipers. Wow, gorgeous. Under the hood is the LS3, which is 428 horsepower V8 attached to a 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. Have a look at the hood mat in fabulous condition, clean, tidy, gorgeous. Notice on the engine, no corrosion, not been outside, not been weathered outside at all, just beautiful. So close the hood, climb up to here to the front and just check out stone chips. You know, there's always a stone chip somewhere, but I just don't see anything to point out. Maybe that's a little wee one there. Maybe, no, it's a piece of dust, nothing there. Maybe that's one there. There you go, there's your stone chip, just to make you feel like we found something. So on the front here, nice and clean and tidy. Is that a little rub there? Yeah, maybe just a little rub there. It's touched something, no big deal. And up here is your other wheel, no curb rash, just looking fabulous. And back here. Those Michelin tires are awesome on this car. It rides so smooth, handles so well. You're really gonna love it. On the inside here, we've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, driver memory package, and the Bose sound system. The driver's seat has the same multi-function adjustments for lumbar and side bolster, as well as your recliner and your normal 6-way power. It's got the perforated leather inserts for the luxury leather. The mirrors are auto-dimming, auto-dimming and auto-reversing, so when you reverse, they go down. Let's start it up. Here's your push-button start, your driver information center. It's got power telescopic steering wheel and manual tilt steering wheel right there. And over here is your power top. It's got heads-up display right there, so you can see the heads-up display happening. 42,831 kilometers, and yes, it has navigation. So this opens up and your nav disc goes in there. So that's where your nav disc goes right there, and your DVDs, so you can play CDs, DVDs, or the nav. And there's the nav back. It's got dual zone automatic air conditioning. It's got heated seats, which are great in the cooler weather. There's your 6-speed automatic with paddle shifters. So if we put this in S, and then we use our paddle shifters up here. So they're plus and minus right there. You've got Bluetooth for your phone, steering wheel controls for the radio, and then you've got magnetic selective ride and handling. So that means you can change it between tour and sport right there. So it's also got a line in for an HDMI so that you can plug your phone in right there. That's pretty darn cool. So let's hit the button here. Power top, one-touch feature, closes the waterfall, closes the top, and you've got a glass back window with a defroster. The only thing that you need to do after that is just pull that down and turn the handle, and then we'll put the windows up so that you can see or hear it with windows up. So there you go. It's got OnStar right there and the compass in the mirror also. Fabulous car, great condition. Look at how clean it is, super tidy. Very nice car. Have a look in the door frame there as I'm getting out. The seat's not got a lot of wear at all there, just in great shape. The top, absolutely fabulous. Great looking car. So there it is with the headlights on and running. Good looking machine. Silver with the black top. That nice titanium leather interior is gorgeous. Nice little rumble out the back. A great looking machine. No scratches, no dents, no bumps, no bruises. That was just dust right there. I got it off. There you go. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT automatic with magnetic selective ride and handling and the Z51 brake package also. So it's here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.